In a world where everyone deserves a fair chance, the movement for diversity, equity, and inclusion stands as a beacon of hope. Today, we embark on a journey to witness the power of volunteers who are championing this cause in communities around us. Imagine stepping into a room where every voice is heard, every background is valued, and every individual is empowered. This is the vision that DEI initiatives strive to achieve. But such transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, passion, and the relentless efforts of those who believe in a better tomorrow. Meet the volunteers who are the unsung heroes of this movement. From organizing community workshops to facilitating open dialogues, they are at the forefront, breaking down barriers and building bridges of understanding. These individuals come from all walks of life, united by a common purpose. Yet the path to equity is not without its challenges. Prejudices and biases still linger in many corners of society. But with resilience and determination, these volunteers are overcoming obstacles one step at a time. Their stories are a testament to the power of collective action and the impact it can have on fostering change. As we watch them in action, we see more than just tasks being completed. We see lives being touched, minds being opened, and communities growing stronger. The ripple effect of their work extends far beyond immediate results. It inspires others to join the cause and make a difference. In closing, let us be inspired by their example. Let us find ways to contribute to this vital work, whether through volunteering our time or supporting DEI initiatives in our own circles. Together, we can create a future where diversity is celebrated, equity is achieved, and inclusion is the norm. Join us on this journey. Be part of the change. Because when we work together, anything is possible.